Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tammy. If you're new here, thank you for joining me. If you're a returning member that's already subscribed, please remember to like and share my videos, and thank you so much for coming today. I really appreciate it. So as you can see, I got some PR from Cooserry, or Cooserry, not sure how you pronounce it. They contacted me and wanted to know if I wanted to try one of their kits, and this is the kit that I chose. It's the acrylic powder and gel polish kit. So let's get right into this. They are an Amazon store, so go check them out on Amazon. As you can see, you get a user guide with their contact information down here. Oops. They have a customer care card that they give you. And then on the back, again, is their email and their phone number, which is very nice to have. The instruction booklet shows you your prep and how to do a gel polish manicure. And then they show you the steps to do the acrylic. I can't turn the page. And then they have how to apply the gel polish. Tells you your cure times and everything down here. So it takes 2 minutes to cure their gel polishes. And a UV or LED. So the brush, the set comes with a set of 3 brushes. I'm assuming, maybe the bigger one is for your acrylic. Maybe the second one too, or you could use that as a 3D brush. And, excuse me, the smaller one, definitely a 3D brush. The next thing they sent was their gel polish. Let's take this out. Well, I guess it'd help if I can open it, wouldn't it? Okay, so the first thing we have is their Soak Off Matte Top Coat. Excited to see how that does. You never have too many top coats. You have their, it doesn't say no wipes, so I'm assuming it cures with a tacky layer. Their regular top coat. And then you get their extra strength primer, which is good because I was almost out of primer. Then you get the first color you get, well, that I pulled out, is number 21. And let's see. Yeah, these don't have the windows on the back. So you can see, ooh, look at that. That's super pretty for fall. Ooh. So that was number 21. This one is number 17. If I'd have thought about it, I'd have gotten these in order first. But I didn't. So let's see what number 17 is. It's a glitter. A silver glitter. That's beautiful. Nice. This one is number 10. Well, at least they tighten up their packaging. This one's really pretty too, like a mauve. A rosy mauve. That's really pretty. Then we have number 15. That's a red. Ooh, very nice. More on the orangey side of red, but still a red. Very nice consistency so far on all these. Let me see. Can you see better that way? Maybe you can. Let's see. And then there's 2 more in here. One is number 25. This is a black. Can never have too many black polishes. Very nice consistency. I will swatch these in the next video, so this one's not so long. The last one I have is number 18. And that's a lovely, like, autumny brown color. Perfect for fall. Can't wait to use that. I don't have a lot of browns either. Okay, so you also get a set of nail forms. These look like the plastic nail forms. I've never tried them before, but it should be interesting. Ooh, this is cute. It looks like a little mini e-file. Let me get this open. Oh, and just the swap that we did, and you sent me the little e-file. I love it. Use it all the time. So thank you very much for that. This gives you the instructions as well. Yes, it's a little mini nail file. Now, whether it's rechargeable or not, I do not know. All your controls. It tells you what your controls are. They're on the cord. Okay. It goes up to 20,000 RPMs. And then over here, you get your standard drill bits that come with just about every e-file that you get. Your sanding bands, your mandrel, cuticle bits, that type of thing. So it tells you on here, which is nice in case you're new to doing nails. It tells you what each drill bit is for. Okay. And there's some information on the back. Let's see. Comes with the power cord. I'm not going to take that out, but comes with the power cord, of course. And then comes with a little damping dish. Can never have too many of those. And it comes with their own EMA monomer. So I'm excited to try that as well. It says Nail Flowers monomer. So let's see. They've probably got it sealed. Yes, they do. So let's see what that smells like. If I can get that off. Hold on, let me see if I can get this off. I'll be right back. Okay, so I did not open it all the way. But I did open it enough. I couldn't get it off. But I did open it enough to be able to smell it. And it definitely doesn't smell as strong as regular acrylic. Or, monomer. your regular EMA monomer. I'm not sure it smells flowery, however, but it definitely doesn't have the strongest smell as your regular EMA monomer. And it does say EMA on the label, okay? So the next thing is the acrylics. And you get a set of 4. You get, this one is a nude. They're 15-gram jars. This one is white, which I'm interested to see how that's going to perform, because whites are notoriously hard to work with. Then there's a pink. It looks like it's probably a sheer pink, like a French pink. And then this one should be a clear. So let's see. Yes, this is your clear. Okay. Now, the last thing in the box is the mini lamp. I'm not going to take that out because I've shown you those before, and I'm sure many people already have them. So I will be taking that unopened and putting it in a giveaway. Okay? So I'm going to end the video here, and then I will swatch everything in the next video. Okay? Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and PR. If you did, please give me a like and a share and a comment. It really helps my channel out. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. It's completely free and it does not affect your credit score. So, until my next video, thank you all for joining me again. Until then, stay safe and stay well.